Guys, in today's video I'll be talking about how you can register on ESON, this platform. Now there's a link in the description of this video. To get on board, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link if you want to be part of the team, and what to do and how to go about it. Now if you click the link here, it will take you to this wonderful page. Now on this page we have username, we have password 6 to 30 digits, we have email address, and here is my invitation code. You change here to your country, preferred country, and add your number and get the verification code. When you do that, automatically there's a link here, you click here and you're already registered to the platform. Now if you are done with that, straight ahead your back office opens like this. This is how your back office looks like. Now for each person you invite, just like you're using my link now in this video, for each person you invite, you are going to have 10% for the first level. For example, if the person's make $10 in a day, you make $1 from that $10 on a daily basis. That's one thing about this platform. Second level, you earn 8%. Third levels, you earn 5%. Fourth level, you earn 3%, and fifth level you earn 4%. I've done a video on this channel that actually talked about how you can actually sign up and all of that on this platform. I talked about the best strategy to earn, and then at the top here you can see the amazing tools they have here that is very usable. You can see invitee, you can see tour, then questions and answer and all of that. Now if you click questions and answers, now you will need to go through it yourself and all of that. I'm going to do a video to explain better questions and answer on this platform. You understand now? Now if you click on this tab, they have simple video that you can actually watch here. So you can see the video playing now. You can actually watch this video yourself, and how to deposit, quantification, how to recharge, how to withdraw. These are guide that is very important for you to know. Now they are saying the headquarters is in California, but for me, I want to tell you something. I'm not a financial advisor. What I want to say is this: know when to go in, when to come out. If you're not going to be part of this thing, don't join this platform at all. If you know you cannot take the risk, don't even invest. Walk away. Just watch it for the purpose of watching and purpose of educating. You understand? And so that is one of the things that you need to understand on this platform. If you find this video helpful, why not do the needful? Thank you guys. Bye.